All right, so this is something that really annoys me. When someone's implementing a page on a website, this is the Elementor page builder for WordPress. There are others that are very similar. It's a modern page builder that has tons of features. But I still see designers and web designers duplicating content like this, which makes it a pain to maintain a website. This is not truly responsive. What they're doing is doubling the content and then hiding half of it when you're on a big screen, hiding the other half when you're on mobile so that it has a consistent experience. And it's even worse when people use different images on the desktop and mobile versions, because then you're loading both those images whether you're on a desktop or a mobile, so you're slowing down the speed of your site. Most modern browsers, if you're using the exact same image, it'll notice that and not re-download it, but it's still annoying to maintain this page because anytime you want to update it, you got to tweak in two places. So what I'm going to do is when I see something like this and I want to fix it, I go in and I see, okay, how do they want this to look? So they've got the image on the left on desktop mode. In tablet, they've got it centered above the text, and then in mobile, it's also centered above the text right there. So, and they forgot to hide one of them, looks like. So let's go back into our editor, and I'm going to delete these extra ones that are on the right over here. And now desktop looks good, great. So let's move on to tablet, and you'll see right now it's hidden. So let's look at this column. This is probably where they hide on tablet portrait. So let's show that now, and we're going to want to center this over the other text. So instead of 50%, we'll go 100%. That's kind of big though, so what I'll probably do is add a little bit of padding on the right and left. Maybe I'll do, let's see what 10% looks like on each side. Great, that looks pretty close to what we saw before. And this image, let's center that as well. All right, so that matches what was there before. Obviously, we could make this look a little different if we want. I'm just trying to match what they had as quickly as possible to make this page a little cleaner and easier to maintain. And so the mobile one now looks fine as well because we already centered it on tablet. At least with Elementor, each descending view inherits the settings from the larger one above it. And so you can obviously modify the mobile ones further, but I don't think we need to here. So in this case, that's all we had to do. And now it's way easier to maintain the page because there's just one set of content. Obviously, we've got the same issue on other sections here that we're going to have to fix. But for that one, we're done. And please always remember, don't duplicate content.